Hi, it's Mitz from My Life Mitz. Thank you so much for stopping by. I wanted to do a quick unboxing with you. I purchased this book or notebook cover, and it arrived so quickly. I'm really shocked. This box is from Gillio, and I've wanted a planner cover for over a year, and every time I check for a certain cover, they're sold out. If you know Gillio, you know that they kind of restock and then things sell out quickly, and the Gillio marketplace on Facebook is a great resource for some of the what's called like used notebook covers, but I've never been able to get one for myself. Anyways, I don't want to ramble on too much. I was really impressed with how fast it arrived. According to the shipping label, it said it was dispatched on June the 6th, June the 4th, and then it arrived yesterday, which is June the 6th here in Japan. So it arrived so quickly, I couldn't believe it. It's my invoice here. Anyway, so I will do the unboxing with you here. So there's the box. It's a little dinged up. It's not, it doesn't bother me. It's totally okay. And here it is. Let's see what it is. Like I said, I've been wanting one for quite some time, and every time I check, it's been sold out. This one I ummed and awed for quite some time. Oh, it's nice. Here it is. I ummed and awed for quite some time because there is a little bit of a oopsie, and I think this is their first time they made a mistake with the labeling, but I'll show you. But this is the Pocket Cara in gold, and it's a really nice caramel brown, like a light caramel, milk caramel brown. And I've asked for like a more smooth as opposed to pebbly leather. It's a really nice brown. That's the superior labor. It's very similar, but this is a little bit darker. This is obviously darker here. You can see the comparison. Hopefully this paper doesn't crinkle too much. The pattern underneath, like my table pattern, is quite busy, so I try to cover it up. But this is the Cara. Let's open it up. This is the Pocket Cara in gold, and this is what it looks like. I really wanted a planner or a notebook that could house an A4 sized folded in half. I don't really have like a professional looking planner. I mean, I have my Filofax Malden, but I'm not into rings. I think I'm not gonna actively use this one here. I asked for the gold rings, and if you are aware, you will know that the Cara has the removable binder part. Maybe I should take this pen out. I've requested for a black matte ballpoint pen. It usually comes with a pen and dust bag when you purchase your Gillio from the website. So I don't think I'm going to be actively using this part here. I like looking on YouTube and checking out others and see how the others use this. Like a lot of people do like a wallet combo, but I just feel like it's going to get way too heavy. Anyways, back to what I was originally saying. I wanted a planner that I could take to, you know, more professional type of settings, like for school as well. Like if I get like a lot of papers from school, my son's school or daycare. So this is the oopsie that they made. They made a whole bunch or a whole batch of Gillio Caras, and I guess they were doing some training, and a lot of them have this sign stamped on by mistake, and so I guess it didn't sell out that quickly because I was on there checking back and forth for days, wondering, should I do it, should I not do it? If I bought it, then I would get this 15% off, which is very rare. But anyways, I did it anyways, and every time I check the Cara, I don't see the gold there, the color gold. Sometimes I see rust or, you know, the other colorful ones, but I've wanted this gold for a while now. So, and here you can put in your money or anything else, like, you know, sticky notes or anything like that. I think this would be really great for traveling as well. If I keep my passport in here, some cards here, and then money in here. If I also want to keep like brochures and paper and documents, I think it would be great. This is a great place for the pen as well, so it's like an all-in-one type of thing. I'm still debating. Originally I was going to ask them to send it without the rings, but I don't know what you would call this, the binder, it doesn't have slits. Like if you had slits, then I can easily make this into like a traveler's notebook style or like a folio style cover, but maybe I will keep important addresses, or just I don't want to fill it too much. I think important addresses or like pen pal addresses would be nice, so that if I did travel and I did take this, then I would have my addresses in here as well. But the leather is really nice. I asked for a smoother leather and it's really, really nice. Like this part here, you can feel it's kind of not worn in, but it's yeah, it's molded. And then there's a pocket, 2 pockets back here. I asked somebody on, I just made a post on Gillio, on the Gillio Facebook group, to see if my A6 would fit. So that's why I have my A6 right here, and we can try it out together. This is the certificate number, I guess like the certificate of authenticity. This is really, really nice. So back to here, this Cara, I want to transfer my Hobonichi in here. Yeah, I'm not even using my bookmarks. I have them tucked inside. I will come back to the donkey soon. But for now, I want to try and test this out and see if it works. I should have stayed with the avec. I did the Hobonichi avec for the last 2 years, and then for the first time I thought I would give this a shot, and then I saw this one at the store, and they weren't on sale, or they were sold out online, so I decided to get this one. But I feel, I don't want to say regret, but I think I'll go back to the avec next year. So let's try and fit this. I don't know if this is gonna fit. I asked somebody, like I said, in the Facebook group, and so many people are so helpful. They said that it was doable, and they showed me pictures. Oh, I don't know if somebody ended up kind of cutting the edges so that it would be an easier fit, and then somebody also posted that she didn't need to cut it, but it would be very, very snug. I think I'm going to lean towards cutting it. I don't want to force it too much. Maybe this side would be easier. Let's see. No, not really. Yeah. It's like just a smidgen, just like a millimeter or two. Like a millimeter on each side, then it would fit. I'm assuming it would fit on both sides, like it would fit that way. But let's close it up and see. Oh yeah, there's lots of room. There's definitely lots of room. I don't think, of course, it wouldn't fit with this one inside, but there's lots of room. Even, you know, if I have to put some cards in there, or even if I had some coins, there's tons of room to grow. Yeah. So I think what I will do is just cut off the edges here, and yeah, I'll cut off the edges here, and then I'll slide that in. And I will begin to use this beautiful Gillio Cara in the pocket size in gold, and the stitching is really, really nice. It doesn't have like the traditional leather smell that I'm used to. I'm guessing because it's an Epoca leather. To be honest, I haven't really done any reading or research about it, but it's very, very squishy and very flexible, but very sturdy at the same time. Very, very nice. You can see the inside there. It's the same kind of color. Some of the Caras have like a two-tone thing going on. And inside here you can see as well. But yeah, I'm very happy about this purchase. Very hesitant as well, because it costs a pretty penny, and it's not something that yeah, it's it's a treat, I suppose. But let's put this one back here, and there I will do an updated look at it hopefully later on in the year, so you can check it out with regards to like how it patinas, how it ages. I believe they also have a lifetime guarantee, or lifetime, I have to look into it, but they have a like if something breaks, or you know, like a stitch comes off or something like that, I believe you can contact them. Don't quote me on that, but I believe so. But yeah, it's really, really nice. So that is the Gillio Cara pocket, the pocket Gillio Cara in gold. And I guess I should, oh, very important, open the rings correctly. That reminds me of my Fax days. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed watching this unboxing video. I will do a setup. If you are interested, please let me know down below. If you have a Gillio, I would love to check out your video. I've been obsessed with Gillio videos. I especially like looking at the ones that have aged, and you can really definitely see the color change, and I enjoy watching setups and things like that. But if you have a Gillio on your wish list, what's on your wish list? I'd like to know. Anyways, I hope you enjoyed. I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.